Hey, Pooh Bear. Hey, everyone. Happy Sunday. Just getting prepped for winter. I know I hate that word too, but we live in Canada, so we get snow. So I have almost completed with Snow Pusher 2.0. I got the two big tires that I scored last weekend. So no more flat tires. New battery. Yeah, baby. Hooked up the plow that I got at Burles Creek, but haven't secured it in the front yet. Still working on that. And I picked up some tires at Princess Auto, but unfortunately the shaft or post, whatever you want to call it, the front tire sits on is too short for these. So I got to go back and get a different set of wheels. But anyway, this is how this baby works, right? No more having to jump it to start it. Got to turn it on. Little up, down. So that's it. I got a working plow that's going to save my back. So I'm pretty happy with that. Hope everyone's having a great Sunday.